Have you ever wanted to build your own app or website? Python is your key. Python is a powerful programming language. It's simple and easy to learn. First, let's dive into Python's purpose. Python helps create websites, analyze data, and automate tasks. It's versatile and widely used in industries. Next, download Python from python.org. Install it on your computer in minutes. You'll need a text editor as well. Notepad or Visual Studio Code works great. Now, let's write our first line of code. Open your text editor and type, print, hello, world. This simple command displays a message. Save the file as hello.py. To run your code, open the terminal. Type, python hello.py, and hit enter. Voila! Your message appears. You just created your first Python program. Imagine automating boring tasks, like sorting files or sending emails. Python makes it easy. Need to analyze data? Python has powerful libraries like pandas. In summary, Python is a fantastic tool for beginners. It's user-friendly and widely applicable. Start coding today for endless possibilities. Ready to begin your Python journey? Download Python now and start practicing. Your future in tech awaits.